In this video, we'll learn how to use Pythagoras' theorem to find shorter sides of right-angled triangles. All we need for that is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and one other side. Now you should already know how to use Pythagoras' theorem to find the hypotenuse before continuing with this video. Links to our video showing you how to do this are in the description or top right corner now. So let's see an example about how to find the shorter sides. So find the base length of this triangle. It has a hypotenuse of 10 centimeters and a vertical height of 4 centimeters. Give your answer to two decimal places. As a reminder, Pythagoras' theorem is given as a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse and a and b are the other two sides. Note that it doesn't actually matter which side you call a and which you call b. We just normally use b for the base. Okay, so let's see the method. Now, when using Pythagoras' theorem, if we add to find the longest side, then we must subtract to find the shorter sides. And to do this, we calculate 10 squared minus 4 squared to get 100 minus 16. And that's because 10 squared is 100 and 4 squared is 16. That comes to 84, and that is our b squared. And so to find b, we simply square root the 84, and that comes to 9.17 centimeters when entered into a calculator, correct to two decimal places. Okay, now it's your turn. Here is another example. Calculate the height of this right-angled triangle. Give your answer to one decimal place. Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right-hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so here is the answer. Now in this example, we're actually working backwards to find the height this time. Now even though this is slightly different, the method is exactly the same. H here is shorter than the hypotenuse, so we still need to square both sides and subtract. And to do this, we calculate 12 squared minus 9 squared, which is 144 minus 81, and this comes to 63. Which is our value of h squared here. Finally, square root the 63 to get the height, which comes to 7.9 centimeters, correct to one decimal place. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you got the example correct. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe so you get notified when the next video is out, and feel free to share with your friends if you think it would be helpful.